So the thing is that when you have network security groups, you can apply them at the subnet and or the NIC, and that's going to change how the rules work. So let's look at these combination of scenarios. So here we have the internet, and let's set ourselves up with a virtual machine that has a NIC, but it has no network security group. So what's going to happen in this case? Well, when there is no NSG assigned to the subnet or NIC, then all traffic is allowed. Not something I recommend. I think you should always have an NSG there, but that's what's going to happen. Our next scenario here is that we have a virtual machine and then we have a NIC, and the network security group is attached to that NIC. So when an NSG is assigned to the NIC and no NSG at the subnet, then the rules are predictable based on the allow or deny rule. So whatever you set in your NSG is what you expect it to be. Then we have a scenario here where we have two virtual machines with their own NICs, and one has a security group, and the other two, they have to pass through the security group that's applied to the subnet level. So let's look at the one on the left first. So the NSG applied to a subnet applies to the rules and all the resources in that subnet. And so basically on the left-hand side, it's going to just act like the other one there, where all the rules you have there are normal. But the last one is the interesting use case, because if the first thing is the first NSG rules are evaluated at the subnet, and then the rules in the NIC are evaluated. So the thing is that if you want port 80 to be open, you actually have to open it on both. Otherwise, it's going to get stuck on the first one. So if your subnet has port 80 closed, and then your NIC has port 80 open, it just can't reach it. So they both have to be open. So there you go.